Madine Waltrip first became aware of airplanes when she was 3 years old. This childhood fascination would lead into a lifelong career in the sky. Growing up in Adair County during World War II, she was entranced by the planes flying overhead. 17 years later, she would join the aviation industry as an air hostess with TWA. It was during one of those TWA flights that she met a pilot who would become her husband and the inspiration for Madine to become a pilot herself. They would transport their family on ski vacations in her plane as if it was the family station wagon. As a young woman in the 1960s, she became one of the first members of the Orange County 99s, an organization of female pilots. With the 99s, she participated in transcontinental air races called powder puff derbies, flying cross-country with only a co-pilot accompanying her. Madine went on to organize an international air race to Mexico and later became a flight instructor, a cargo pilot before the days of FedEx, and even worked briefly as a bush pilot in New Guinea. She chartered flights to carry healthcare providers to impoverished areas of Mexico. As a flight instructor, she taught several young pilots who now work for commercial airlines, carrying on Madine's legacy. With her eyes always to the sky, she also dabbled in ballooning and ultralight aircraft and was once hired by the California Department of Fish and Wildlife to stock lakes with fish by dropping them from her airplane. On a trip to the Middle East, Madine was flying over Israel near the Lebanon border when she saw what looked like fireworks below her. As it turns out, what she witnessed was the first bombing of Beirut. Madine's second husband was California State Senator Dennis Carpenter and would fly him to meetings in Sacramento and throughout California. Among her other accomplishments, Madine was appointed the first woman to the California Civil Aeronautics Board. Though she was based in California, Madine maintained her Cherokee roots and frequently flew to her farm in Oklahoma, splitting her time there until the end of her life in February of 2005.